How to block TikTok on iPhone, an engaging summary. TikTok has become one of the world's most popular social media platforms. Its algorithm is designed to be as engaging and attention-grabbing as possible, resulting in users spending an average of 58 minutes per day on the app. As time spent on TikTok continues to grow each year, many users are looking for ways to block the app on their iPhone and other iOS devices. In this article, we will explore the reasons behind blocking TikTok and the various methods to do so. Reasons to block or restrict TikTok. While TikTok serves as an incredible source of entertainment, inspiration, and knowledge, it's essential to consider the impact of excessive usage. A never-ending feed of videos can end up keeping you on the app for hours each day. Too much of anything can lead to consequences, especially overconsumption of social media content, which may lead to depression, anxiety, and other mental health issues. This concern is particularly relevant for younger users, whose mental health can be adversely affected by excessive screen time. Excessive use of TikTok can lead to FOMO, lower self-esteem, and envy. It's crucial to recognize that while TikTok content can be inspiring, it might also create feelings of inadequacy, especially related to beauty, health, wellness, and finance. Balancing consumption is key. For parents of minors, there may be an urgent need to restrict their child's use of TikTok. Child brain development is sensitive to social media overuse. The phenomenon referred to as TikTok brain has been linked to shortened attention spans in children who spend too much time scrolling through the app. Therefore, limiting their TikTok usage can help improve their ability to focus and pay attention. These compelling reasons might prompt you to take a break or establish time restrictions when it comes to using TikTok. Block TikTok on an iPhone via app limits. One effective way to manage your TikTok usage is to use the app limits feature on your iPhone. This built-in feature allows you to control how much time you allow yourself or a minor to spend on TikTok. The advantages of using app limits to block or restrict TikTok include: no need for third-party apps. App limits come built into iOS, making it unnecessary to download additional software. Better time management. You can set a time limit every day, giving you the ability to enjoy TikTok without going overboard. Flexibility with restrictions. It allows you to customize limits based on your needs, whether for yourself or a child. Blocking TikTok can lead to a healthier relationship with technology. Conclusion. In an age where social media dictates our attention and engagement, knowing how to control your usage is essential for mental and emotional well-being. By being proactive about TikTok consumption, you can protect your time and create a more balanced approach to social media. Consider utilizing the steps outlined in this article to effectively block TikTok on your iPhone. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.